Today, we'll be taking a look at the infinite switch on this Whirlpool electric range. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove this terminal cover here. It is held on by 2 Phillips screws on the bottom. Once we take these out, you want to slide down on the plate, pull out, and set it to the side. Next, we'll need to remove the upper rear panel. There are multiple Phillips screws around it that'll have to be taken out. Now, before I remove the top ones, I'm going to push the panel in and hold up. Let's take the first one out. Second one. You'll want to lift out on the panel, pull down, and set it to the side. Now that we have the back panel removed, we have clear access to our 6-inch element infinite switch here. Now, the main reasons why you would need to access this switch is if A, the element does not turn on at all, or B, maybe the high or low function do not work. The most common that I find is that the high function might not work, but it will work on low, or the low function will not work, it will only work on high. Now, when I find that, I'll take off the panels, and I usually do a visual inspection, and you can usually find a big burn mark right around this box in here. If it's doing that and you see where it's all scorched up, obviously it'll need to be replaced. Now, in order to replace the switch, you'll want to take off the knob, and there are 2 Phillips screws right inside the front here. When you're removing the last one, just hold on to the switch so it doesn't fall. Just take that screw out. We're going to pull out on the switch. Use a tack puller or something to go underneath your terminals and start to push it up. Pull that off and set the switch to the side. When installing a new infinite switch, it can only go on one way. So we will reinstall the terminals how we had them previously. And then we want to put the actual portion of the switch through the hole in the front. Make sure your box is toward the top. Let's get a screw ready. And put the first one in here. Let's do the second one. Slide your knob back on. Now we can reinstall the back panels. When reinstalling your top rear panel, you're going to bring it in at an angle, and it will slide in the middle, but stay out on the end. So let's have that side in. We'll leave this side out, lift up. Let's get our first screw and start to put it in and tighten it up. Let's maneuver this under here so that we can install the second one. And that should hold your plate so we can go around the remainder of the perimeter and install the others. Now we can reinstall the terminal cover. When reinstalling your terminal cover, we will want to put all of these stakes inside the slotted spots on the oven. So put these in with them facing up. What we'll do is smack on the bottom to lift them up in place. Reinstall our 2 screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.